of 4 friends. Names of, I'm not writing the spelling, 4 friends. Who will tell me this answer? Okay. Mute your, Kashvi, unmute yourself. Yes, Kashvi. Names of 4 friends. You have to just name the names of 4 friends. You have to give me the names. Yes, Kash. Yes. Yes, Kashvi, tell me the. Beta, your voice is not coming. Put the mic near your mouth.
Ruhi,
Ruhi.
Arna,
Wait. Ruhi, Arnav.
oh no,
Ruhi, Arnav. Yes, third one. Yes, Kashvi, you can tell me any name.
जल्दी बोलो. Piyush,
Piyush. And fourth one is
Pariji,
Pari.
Pari.
Pari. Okay, Pari.
मम्मी मुझे क्या
Pari.
पता है?
Okay, mute yourself. The names of 4 friends. These are the names of 4. These are all the names comes in noun only. All the things that we see in classroom comes in noun. So these are the names of 4 friends. It is not necessary that you have to आपको यही नाम लिखना. You can write any other name, whichever name it is yours. Okay. Now third one. K. Write the names of 4 places you visited. 4 places you visited. Who will tell me this answer? 4 places you visited. Okay. Devyansh Gupta. Riyansh Gupta. Okay. Riyansh Gupta. 4 places you visited.
Ma'am, yes ma'am.
Tell me that 4 places you have gone. You have visited. Visited means you have gone. You have seen that 4 places. कौन सी 4 places आपने देखी है?
Temple,
हाँ?
Gurdwara, temple,
Beta one. Places. I am asking places.
Agra,
आगरा तो है ही. Okay. आगरा. Next.
Delhi, ma'am, Delhi,
New Delhi. Okay. New Delhi. Yes. Very good. Third one.
Jaipur,
Jaipur. Okay. Very good. And the fourth one.
Hathras, ma'am,
What, beta? I can't hear you.
Hathras, ma'am,
Hathras. Okay, Hathras. Okay. Okay, we have done 4 places. Okay, mute yourself. 4. Agra, New Delhi, Jaipur, and Hathras. Okay. Now, fourth one. Now, L1. L.
Jaipur, Delhi, Agra.
Mute yourself, beta. Riyansh, mute yourself. Write the names of 4 animals you know. 4 animals. 4 animals. Okay, who will tell me? Arav Agarwal. Yes, Arav Agarwal. 4 animals. Names of the 4 animals.
Cat,
Cat.
dog,
1 minute. Cat, dog,
dog,
yes, dog is done. Cat, dog, yes, better tell. Arav, speak.
elephant,
Elephant. Okay, very good. Elephant. And fourth one is? One
horse,
more horse. Okay,
elephant,
very good.
E-L-E,
Horse.
L-E,
Yes, mute. Arav Agarwal, mute yourself. Arav Agarwal, mute yourself. Okay. Now, all of you have, I have done the homework in your, on the board. Just check it out, all the answers. You can write any names regarding me. 4 things you see in the classroom. You can write any 4 names. I had written these, which children had told me: duster, chalk, table, chair. What it will be? Duster, chalk, table, chair. Okay, so these are the things which we see in the classroom. Many things we can see other than window, door, fan, all that things can come. Okay, so we have taken any 4 things. Now G1, name of 4 friends. Any names you can write. No need to write same names. You can write any names. First one is Ruchi, Ruhi, Arnav, Piyush and Pari. Ruhi, Arnav, Piyush and Pari. So these are the names which you can write any names, whichever names you want. Okay, no need to worry about that. You can write any names. Any name comes in noun. Okay. Then 4 places you visited. What were the 4 places? You can write any 4 places. So one student had given this 4 places: Agra, New Delhi, Jaipur, Hathras. Okay, you can give any name: Lucknow, Mumbai. Okay, like this, Bangalore, Chennai, any name you can give. I had written Agra, New Delhi, Jaipur and Hathras. Got it? Now, 4th one. 4 names of the animal. These all comes in the noun only. 4 names of the animal: cat, dog, elephant, horse, mouse, deer, lion, tiger, bear. Any names of the animals can come in this category. Okay, so any names you can write. No need to write these names, but if you are not writing, you can write these names also. So this was the homework I had given you yesterday. So last week, okay, we have done with this chapter. We have completed the chapter. So if you are having any problem regarding this chapter, I just want to know. Okay. Okay, if you are having any problem regarding this chapter, just let me know. You can raise your hands, or just we can recap that chapter. We can just recap that chapter. Okay. So you will just reverse, because हम लोग एक week के बाद कर रहे हैं. So maybe you must have forgotten. Okay, Riyansh is raising his hand. Okay, Riyansh, you are having some problem?
मैम इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में क्या क्या करना है? नोटबुक में
Beta, notebook work I will tell you first. We are doing the literature part. Notebook, all this whatever work is given. हाँ बेटा, I am talking about English language only. Language only. ये language ही तो है आपका. This is language only. मैम language में कुछ नहीं करना है मैम. That I will give you the defines and some work I will give you that you have to do in your language copy. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Okay, mute yourself. Just let's revise. Okay, I'm just recapping this chapter. हम लोग फिर से एक बार रिवाइज कर लेंगे, then we'll start with new chapter tomorrow. Okay. Whatever you have to do in copy, that I will tell you afterwards. Don't worry about that. हम एक बार noun को revise कर लेंगे. We'll just revise noun so that after 1 week we are coming for English. Let's see how many remember what is noun. Okay. Now tell me what is noun. Noun is what? Names of person, place, animal or thing. That is what is called noun. Okay, what is noun? Names of person, name of any person, name of any place, name of any animal or name of thing is called noun. Got it? So what will be the example? Name of any person, we will suppose for example we'll take Anita. Name of a person we have taken. Now for place. Person का हमने ले लिया Anita. Any name, just now we had done name of any person. Then place, name of place. Place, any place you can take, like Agra, Lucknow. Then animal, name of animal. It can be cat, dog, cow, etc. Then thing, pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener. Okay, so what is noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. That is what is noun. Noun can be Anita, Seema. Then place can be Agra, Lucknow, Mumbai, anything. Then animal can be cat, dog, cow, etc. Then things can be pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener. Got it, all of you? So these are what it is. These are all noun. Okay, now just I will give you some names. You have to just tell me whether it is in which it will come, whether it will come in person, whether it will come in place, whether it will come in animal or whether it will come in thing. Got it? So I will tell you some names. Okay, let's take the names of places. Okay. One minute. You have to just find out the odd one out. Odd one out you have to find out. Okay. Just change. Okay, now raise your hands. Who will tell me? You have to circle the, what you have to circle? You have to circle the odd one in this. Okay. What you have to circle? You have to circle the odd one. Okay. Who will tell me this? Raise your hand. Okay. I will ask any person from my phone. Oh, okay. Arav Pachori. Arav Pachori, unmute yourself. What is odd one out in this? Yes, Arav. What is odd one in this? Arav, unmute yourself. Yes, Arav. Your voice is not coming. Beta, who is this with Galaxy J7 core? Beta, unmute yourself. Galaxy 74 core. Unmute yourself. Galaxy J7. Beta, first, Galaxy. You have entered with Galaxy?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Beta, I won't allow you. I want that you should enter with your name, with your class and with your section. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
From next time, and there should be a photograph of your. Okay? Otherwise,
Okay,
from
ma'am.
tomorrow onwards, I will not allow you in class. Okay, now tell me what
Okay,
is the
ma'am.
odd one in this? Odd one in this?
Cat.
Cat. Why cat? Why cat?
Because cat animals.
Because cat is an animal and others are the names of the places.
Place.
So that's why, yes, it is the name of places. Cat is a animal. So it is odd one out. Okay. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. Mute yourself. Okay, now. Dog, elephant, cow, bear, cup. Now, who will tell me what is odd one in this? What is odd one in this? Who will tell me the answer of this? Mute yourself. Raise your hand. Beta, I want some other children, okay? Ananya Mittal. Ananya Mittal, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ananya, what is odd one out in this? Dog, elephant, cow, bear, and cup. What is odd one?
Cup.
Why cup, Ananya? Why cup?
Think.
That is a thing, okay. Then what all things are, what are these? Dog, elephant, cow, and bear. What are these?
Animals.
These are the names of animal. Dog, elephant, cow, bear. It is the names of the animal, and cup is a thing. So this is will be odd one out. Okay. Mute yourself.
Yes.
Okay. Now who will tell me this answer? Cow, duck, hen, owl. Angel, Sony, unmute yourself. Angel. What is
Yes, ma'am.
what is odd one in this? Cow, a crow, duck, hen, owl, bag, and eagle. What is odd one in this?
Ma'am, duck.
Why duck, beta? All things are correct. Angel,
Yes, ma'am.
no, beta, not duck. It is bag. It is bag. These are the names of the birds. Crow, duck, hen, owl, eagle. These are all birds. This is what? This is bag is a thing. That's why it is an odd one out. Okay, Angel?
Okay.
Oh, beta, understand properly. Okay, now mute yourself. Now one more I will give. Angel, mute yourself. Now who will tell me what is odd one out in this? Okay, Akansha Singh. Akansha Singh. Akansha. Akansha, unmute yourself. Akansha.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what is odd one in this? Shoes, hat, pencil, socks, baker.
What one?
Shoes, hat, pencil, socks, and baker.
Pencil.
No, beta, not pencil. Just see properly. Shoes, hat, pencil, socks, and baker. अच्छा, tell me what all these things. ये सब क्या है? Tell me what all. हाँ? ये सब क्या है? What all these? Shoes, hat, pencil, socks. What are these? ये सब क्या है? Okay, I will tell you. You know the answer? No, beta, you don't know. So it is the shoes is the thing. Shoe is a thing. Hat is a thing. Pencil is a thing, and socks is a thing. Okay. Baker is a name of a. It will come in person. Okay, it will come in person. Shoes, hat, pencil, and socks. These are things. ये सब क्या है? Things and baker is a person. So it is odd one out. Got it, Angel? Angel, have you understood? Akansha, have you understood? Akansha, आपके समझ में आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself now. Okay. Now I will give you some words. You have to just see whether in which it will come. Okay. You have to tell me the noun in this. My grandparents live in Jaipur. Who will tell me what is noun in this? My grandparents live in Jaipur. Who will tell me what is noun? Gauranshi, okay, Gauranshi. My grandparents live in Jaipur. Gauranshi, unmute yourself. Gauranshi. Gauranshi, unmute yourself. Gauranshi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
So, beta, what is noun in this? My grandparents live in Jaipur.
Grandparents.
Okay, grandparents. Any other noun is there? Any other noun?
Grandparents.
Beta, any other noun is there? गौरांशी, कोई और नाउन है इसमें?
No, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself.
What?
Okay, mute yourself. Okay, now next. Kanak. Kanak.
How are you?
Kanak, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, any other noun is there in this? इसमें और okay, Jaipur. Yes. What is the other noun? Jaipur. So, okay, mute yourself. So, what is noun in this? It is grandparents. Grandparent is beta, mute yourself. Grandparents is the person. Jaipur is the place. What it is? Grandparents is the person. Jaipur is the place. Got it, all of you? Okay, next one. Rita like to eat pizza. What is noun in this? Rita like to eat pizza. Who will tell me what is noun in this? Abhimangal. Abhimangal, unmute yourself. Yes. What is noun is in this? Rita like to eat. Rita likes to eat pizza. Yes. Noun इसमें क्या है?
Pizza.
Pizza. Okay. Any other noun is there?
Eat.
No, eat is not a noun, beta. Eat तो verb होता है. हम काम करते हैं जो. Noun.
Rita.
Rita. Okay. Rita. Rita is a noun. Why Rita is a noun? Because it is a person. And why pizza? Pizza is a thing. Rita is the name of the person and pizza is the thing. Got it? Mute yourself. Tina went to the zoo with her parents. Rita went to the zoo with her parents. Who will tell me the answer of this? Okay. Shivangi. Shivangi Goel. Shivangi Goel, unmute yourself. Yes, Shivangi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Shivangi, what is noun in this? Tina went to the zoo with her parents. इसमें noun क्या है? What is noun in this? Yes. Tina. Okay, Tina. Any other noun is there? Zoo. Okay. Any other noun is there? Yes, beta, your voice is not coming properly. Any other noun is there? Parents. Oh, parents. Any other noun is there in this? Can you tell me whether any other noun is there? More nouns are there? बेटा इसमें और नाउन्स हैं या नहीं?
नहीं, no.
Okay, no. You should say, okay, why these are noun? Because it is a name of the person. It will come in person and it is a place. So it will come in thing. So these are Tina, Zoo and parents. Mute yourself. This thing. Okay, next one. Beta, mute yourself. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Sanvi Singh. Sanvi, unmute yourself. Yes, Sanvi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sanvi. हाँ बेटा, Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. What is noun in this? इसमें noun क्या है? Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Any other noun is there?
No.
There. Okay. Mute yourself. Any other child? Okay. Okay. Ayushi Agarwal. Ayushi Agarwal. Any other noun in this? Ayushi, unmute yourself. Ayushi. Ayushi, are you listening me? Ayushi, okay. Ayushi is not listening. Okay. Gauranshi. Gauranshi, unmute yourself. Gauranshi, unmute yourself. Yes, Gauranshi. Any other noun? One girl had told me that Uttar Pradesh is a noun. Okay. Now, any other noun is there? Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Any other noun is there in this?
मैम क्वेश्चन दोबारा पुटअप कर दीजिए.
Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Beta, you can see it on the board also. It is written on the board.
लखनऊ.